Alright guys, hello. We are doing lesson 4. This is a lesson 4 explanation. So if you are on your Google Class stream page, you see lesson 3 and then lesson 4 is below it. It is a heavy writing day, but I believe in you. It should not take you that long if you buckle down and get it. So both of these lessons, lesson 3 from right here and lesson 4, need to be done by Friday 4:10. This video I'm making right now is going to be here. So you are actually going to be working on right here. So everything you have to do today is in this lesson 4 due Friday 4:10, and you'll see right here it says the assignment below titled lesson 4, and then it says Chelsea Sire posted a new assignment, lesson 4. You will click that. I guess instructions. Complete the 2 mini assignments in the document. Make sure you push turn in when you're finished. Up here on your page, it should say turn in, and that's where you will do that. That shows me if you are done. So basically what you are going to do, I break it down pretty heavily in text, but I just want to do it again for you. First thing you're going to do is compare and contrast. It says introduction. By now you should have read The Lottery and Harrison Bergeron. We went over the Hunger Games, and homework this weekend was to watch as many dystopian movies as possible. Divergent, The Handmaid's Tale, literally anything. The Hunger Games, Handmaid's Tale. All right, so assignment. Write 2 paragraphs comparing the similarities and differences between one of the following. So you can either compare The Lottery versus the Hunger Games, or you can compare The Lottery versus Harrison Bergeron, right? So basically you need to pick which ones you're going to be comparing, The Lottery and the Hunger Games or The Lottery and Harrison Bergeron. And then you are going to write 2 paragraphs down here. Oh, let me fix that for y'all. You are going to write 2 paragraphs down here. The first paragraph will be about the similarities, and the second paragraph will be about the differences between the 2 pieces, right? So you'll notice that it says at least 5 sentences. At least 5 sentences in each paragraph. So paragraph 1 is at least 5 sentences about the similarities between the 2. And the second paragraph is at least 5 sentences about the difference between the 2 pieces. If you are confused on what are similarities and differences, I go ahead and I actually gave you the 2 texts right in lesson 4 if you just want to go back and compare them. So you'll do 2 paragraphs, at least 5 sentences each right here, and then you'll keep scrolling to the second part. So this is really cool, and I'm super excited to see what y'all come up with. And this is the part that has to do with the project that I talked about in the previous lesson. So, introduction. Now that we have studied dystopias, you should know that in a dystopian setting, the society is far from perfect because the government was trying to make it perfect. Meaning, in trying to perfect our lives, they actually messed it up more. Right? We talked about that in lesson 3. So, the assignment. I have written 5 society problems that we face today, and you are going to create dystopian solutions to fix these problems. So I gave an example because I feel like that was a bit confusing. So in today's world, we have a problem of obesity, right? A lot of people in our country are overweight, and it's a problem. So this right here, this current solution, that is what we are currently doing to solve the problem of obesity. Okay, so it says current solution. The Health Hunger Free Kids Act of 2010 helps schools and other public programs provide healthy meal for kids. There are also numerous informational campaigns that encourage the public to eat healthier. So basically, the only solution that America has right now is this act that makes you eat healthy food at school and encourages people in the public to eat healthier. So then you are going to take this idea, this problem, obesity, and come up with a dystopian solution, right? So this is my dystopian solution for obesity. Because obesity rates are currently skyrocketing, the government is mandating that every person work out 2 times a day for a minimum of 60 minutes per workout. The government has also banned all unhealthy food, and the only sweets are fruits, and those are limited per household. You must have weekly weigh ins with your personal trainer, and if you miss a weigh in or workout, you will be punished. After 3 punishments, you will be put to death. So that is a extreme reaction to the obesity problem, right? So basically that is what you are doing. You are taking a society problem we have today and you are doing an extreme reaction to it. So directions. Read the 5 society problems and current solutions in our society is using to solve these problems. Step 2. Pick 3 problems to solve in a dystopian manner. And then 3. Solve the 3 problems in the dystopian solution in 5 sentences minimum. If you go back and count these, this is 5 sentences I will be counting. All right, so your dystopian problems are down here. Your society problems. So you are going to pick 3 of the 5. So you have gun violence, global warming, religious intolerance, hunger, and economic inequality. Right? So then it has current solutions, what the U.S. is doing right now to solve these problems, and then you are going to do an extreme reaction, the dystopian solution in this one. 5 sentences minimum. You only have to do 3 of the 5. How many? 3 of the 5. If you have any more questions, you know how to contact me on Remind via Google Classroom, Instagram, whatever you need. I'm thinking about doing an Instagram live this week. So maybe go look for that if you need help. So let me know if you need help. Please make sure that when you are done, you click the turn in button that should be at the top of your page right here. All right, guys, have a good day.